I hate doing videos like this, but I'm extremely disappointed. I mean, badly disappointed. All right, I hope this shows up how badly tilted this handle is. I needed a rounding handle, so I saw a guy make this on YouTube, so I ordered one. Up in here, it's straight, but once you pass this point on back, it's tilted to the right. And I measured it best I could. And it's something, this is 15 degrees. So, it's something a little bit over 15 degrees. But this gauge is set at 15. So, from here all the way up, it's tilted to the left. And I think it's even more so right in here. So, when I pick your hammer up, okay? All right, I got it the way it feels good in my hand. There it is. There's your 15 degrees. Okay? So, I got some American chestnut here. I'm gonna make myself another handle. It ain't gonna be that long. So, but here's some of my regular hammers. All right, I got this one feeling good in my hand. There you go. See how my hand is. All right, that one feels good in my hand. That here it is on my hand. Okay, back over here. See how my hand is? So, what you need in sending it back? Is you going to come back as bad or worse with a different handle in it? Somebody undoubtedly don't know how to make a straight handle. You start it like this, and you get your head right and get it fitted. But I don't mean in that permanent. I mean just get it fitted. And then you work the rest of the handle down to your length and your shape, to where it fits your hand. That's the advantage of making your own handles. You can tailor it to yourself. So, no, I'm not going to name the guy. I don't do stuff like that. But I was really disappointed. I've been waiting almost 2 weeks for the hammer, and that's what I got. So I reckon I'll film a little bit of me making the handle, but I'm going to keep it short. Well, I just started roughing out the part that's going to go in the hammer. This is how I fastened it on the table saw and let it run right here on top of the fence. And I cut it the same depth. Excuse me, not the depth, but the height. The same height all the way around. Speaking of here to here. So now all I have to do is just rough it out. I got it within 1/8 of an inch of what this is. But, well, this one didn't have any shoulder over here and just a tad over here. I will have a shoulder all the way around on this piece. So I'll be back. I don't know where I got that file. But that thing is, I've used the file of this thing. It hasn't got a name on it, it's so cheap. But it does an excellent job. screwed it up. I should have waited. I knew better. I should have waited to cut the kerf after I got the hammer to fit it like I wanted. But I slid it up on there and then went like that, and I heard a crunch. So so what I got to do is I'll just cut this off right here. I'll drop back down here like I did before. I'll finish fitting it to the hammer before I saw the kerf. Well, note to self: don't use American chestnut for hammer handles. I got that thing almost just right. The head would slide up on here a little bit right here. And I took a rubber mallet, there it is, and I hit it down here. I didn't hit it hard. I did not hit it hard. And it came all the way up to right here. No problem. Here's the impression right over here. Just about how I wanted it. I was going to leave it right there, take the head off, cut a kerf in it. I marked it. And when I took the rubber mallet and hit the head over here and flipped it around and hit the head over here, that's what happened. So, let me get that up real close for you. Don't use American chestnut for hammer handles, or at least some that's well over 100 years old, been inside of a log in a barn under a roof for that long. So I know now I'm going to use what I know works best. Ash. I was just trying to do something different. It didn't work. So I'll be back with an ash handle.